Right. Before I go to the sample problem number 2, I just want to show you how I really visualize this set equals to x plus iy as a complex number equivalent to the polar form modulo r e to the I theta and r cosine theta plus I sine theta in terms of trigonometric form with term cosine and sine. So paano ba natin talaga ito nakikita? Or at least in my side. Yung r dyan, tinitingnan ko as my scaling factor. And then, yung e to the I theta, para sa akin, it forms a unit circle. Like this one. Okay, makikita nyo dyan na meron akong unit circle and meron akong modulo r, okay, na equal to 1. And yung aking modulo r na yan ay pwedeng umikot-ikot. And it will represent all the possible values of our points on the perimeter of that unit circle. Paano ko mababago ang amplitude ng unit circle na yan? So, we will have to have a scaling factor which is our r or the modulo. And meron din kayong pwedeng itanong, nasaan yung cosine theta plus I sine theta? Actually, makikita natin yan behind this illustration. Yan, nakikita nyo. Meron tayong, in any point along that circle perimeter, ay meron tayong cosine and sine terms contribution. And then, yung ating cosine term, sabi nga natin, nagre-represent siya ng real axis. And yung ating sine terms ay nandoon sa imaginary axis. So, the combination of these two will result to a rotation of the points along that perimeter of circle. So, kung gaano kalaki yung scaling factor mo, that will be the radius of the point will rotate, no? And all the possible points we can have by combination of cosine theta plus I sine theta. Okay? So, how about we will have r equals to 2. So, syempre, pag meron tayong scaling factor na 2, it will result to unit circle na multiply lang natin sa 2. So, mas lalaki yung ating unit circle. And then, we also have our, for example, r equal to e to the negative t. Huwag nyo isipin yung t. It's just another variable, no, para magkaroon ako ng function na e to the negative t na waveform. And then, para sa akin, ang e to the negative t is a decaying function. And then, yung e to the t ay yung sinasabi nating function na nag-grow. And therefore, meron ako ditong converging function, e to the negative t. And then, meron akong diverging function, e to the t. And makikita nyo yung effect niya pag minultiply natin sa unit circle. Okay? So, yan po yung visualization ko and kung paano ko nakikita itong complex number into visuals.